Abena, Abena, Brony, ma, Abena, 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 Brony, ma, Abena, 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 Brony, ma, Abena, 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 Brony, ma, Abena. Papa Kumasi go abroad. Or see a hole, you want to me a war. Ni wa madane kwa. What I know fe wape waduro bina wawa. Abra wakona. He gave him a big tactical format. Asem nebe. Somebody wife asem nebe. I feel why I wanted. What the corners. What the corners. See I wanted. Why I wanted. What the corners. What the corners. Abena, Abena, Brony, ma, Abena, 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 Brony, ma, Abena.
Hello, you. Papa Kumasi.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm okay.
I bring Vanessa.
Oh, okay. Vanessa, hello.
Hi.
Hi, how are you? Alles good. Danke. And you?
I'm fine.
You fine? Wow.
Yes. How's-
She's pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah. your
How's the
sister-
work?
Oh, work is okay. I'm managing this. I just finished feeding the dogs.
Oh,
I just
okay.
finished, and then the chicken as well. It's not easy. Oh.
But
not
you
as
make
bad.
it good.
Yeah. It's good.
And the chef is very happy. So it's nice. I was coming because we just dropped from my work.
Okay.
Here, so tomorrow I want to bring you then to my house.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
You take me to your house?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. So
Yeah.
nice. So nice.
Oh, is this dog from here?
Yeah, he's from here. Yeah. She's my friend now.
Ah.
At first I was afraid, but now chef told me
Tight.
he won't do anything.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
So then tomorrow, after I finish work, I come here and pick you,
Okay.
and then we go to my house.
Okay, so I prepare. Eh?
Yeah, you prepare.
Oh, thank you. You bring me something? Food? Anything?
No, I have not bring nothing.
Ah, I'm hungry. Then I have to go and prepare.
Sorry, because I just came from work. I
Oh.
pick her on the street there because she
Who, your
works
sister?
close to my
Oh, okay. Do you speak English?
Yeah, a little bit.
A little bit?
Yes.
Hey, I'll teach you Ghana. Eh? I'll teach you tree. Say tree.
Yes.
Tree. It's not tree. Tree.
Tree.
I'll take you to Ghana. You
Yes.
come with my wife to Ghana, yeah?
Yeah.
You come?
Yes.
Oh, nice.
So
Yeah.
can you bring us to the car? Is
Yeah,
this
yeah.
okay for you?
Yeah. Let me escort
Okay.
you.
Thank
Let
you
me
so
escort.
much.
Thank you. How is work? Oh, work is okay. Oh, nice. Oh, sorry. Oh, okay. You have a nice home.
Yeah.
Wow, I love this place. Wow. This is your kitchen.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
I make us some small food.
Oh,
and
okay. Can I
drinks.
sit down?
Oh, of course.
Okay.
Come on, sit here.
Ah.
You want to drink champagne?
Yeah. Why not? Wow. Abena.
Hey, Papa Kumasi.
At least I'm home.
Yes.
Oh, wow. I never thought I would meet you.
Why?
My mom didn't believe me. My friends didn't believe me.
Okay.
I'm like, is she real? God bless you.
Oh yes. No, you are welcome. And thank you for the gift, eh? Abena Kumasi.
Abena Kumasi,
Hey.
American queen.
American Queen. It's so nice.
You love it, eh?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's
Catch this year did it. Catch this year.
Eh?
Catch this year.
What is that?
The designer.
Ah, okay. The designer.
His name is Catch this year. Say it.
Wait, what?
Catch this year.
Catch ya. Yeah.
This year.
Just share.
Piao.
Aye.
Yes.
And thank you.
Oh.
Tell him thank you. It's nice.
Wow. I love your place.
Mm.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Yeah.
Do you stay alone or with your family?
No, I have my friend here sometimes. She come here, she sleep here when she go to work because she's close. The work is
okay.
close here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice.
So
Anyway,
you want to eat something?
Oh, I'm okay. I hope you said you prepare something.
Oh yes.
Wow. Oh, that's nice. So, where's your mom? Can you tell me a little bit about your family?
Oh yes, my mom's not living that far, and I also hope now you are here, so the next days maybe we can go there. I can show
Okay.
you my family.
Okay, that's nice.
Yeah.
That's
And
nice.
how is your family in Ghana?
Oh, my family in Ghana, they are all cool. My mom is there, and then I have a sister and then a little brother,
Okay.
which is my biggest sister's son. Yeah,
Oh, nice.
they are all living there. They never thought when you sent me the invitation, it was real. You know, I'm from a village, and then you know, it's not all that city, you know.
Yeah.
So we hustle, we go to farm. You know, I go to farm with my mom, and then you know we have that one as a living. Yes.
It's not easy life.
It's not easy. Yeah, it's not easy. What about you, your mom, your family? Where are they?
Yeah,
You
like
have, brothers, sisters, uncles.
Yeah. I have sisters. We are only girls.
Oh, sir.
Yeah, and they are all older than me.
Anyway, I'm a my boys. Yeah, what you? Yeah.
What are you saying?
Hey, I'm. Hey.
Okay, that's my security here in the house.
Your security here?
Yeah, lefty.
Hey, what's the name?
Lefty.
Lefty.
Uh-huh.
From my friends are lefty.
Yeah.
Can I make me the bro? Can I play lefty?
Okay, for playing, yes, you can
Lefty.
play lefty.
Okay.
Lefty. Hello.
Lefty, hello. Hey, I'm coming here. Hey,
Are you
lefty,
afraid?
hello. Lefty, hello. Lefty, hello. Lefty, hello. Lefty.
Lefty, come. Lefty,
Okay.
Zakma, hello.
Zakma, hello. Hello, Zakma, hello. Lefty. Wow, so cute. Yeah. A male or female?
It's a boy.
A boy?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, nice.
Big boss here.
It's a big boss here. Oh, okay, nice. I'm not afraid of dogs though, so I'm okay.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, okay. So that is my dog.
Yeah, that's now your dog too.
That's not my dog too. Lefty.
Lefty.
Wow. Lefty. I love dogs. Okay. Lefty.
Oh, now he likes you.
Yeah, he likes me. Wow. I want to know about you. Why me? Why did you reply my message? Because I wrote you long time. You never replied. Why did you reply and then you started chatting? Why?
Yeah, first of all, I have to say sorry. Like, I never replied to your message. But the problem was for me, I was never close to blacks.
Okay.
So I have a boyfriend and he really messed up, and yeah, there was a lot of things, and my friends tell me, because she's African,
Okay.
so she told me that yeah, you have to try maybe a black man, they are also good, and yeah, and this is how it works. So my ex-boyfriend, he did really so much things to me, and we still have our problems. So yeah, don't even want any relationship again, because he have really put me too much down, and I was crying the whole time, and yeah, so that's why I'm very happy you are here. And
yeah, a problem to an problem bio, a problem to a problem be. There's born in them, and then I say, one can't keep him back. Abena. I was saying I'm lucky I've gotten you.
Okay.
I'm also happy as well because where I am from, nobody thinks I can get a white woman.
oh, really?
Nobody, yeah. It's far. When I say it's far, I wish one day you see my place too.
Oh yes.
Yeah, I
hope
wish
so.
one day you also come and see my place too. But sorry for all that you've gone through,
Yeah.
your exes and all that. Sorry that you've gone through. But how do I eat? Ghana food. I have to teach you Ghana food.
Oh yes.
I have to teach you.
I
So
will
you
like
keep
be
from me.
happy for that if you can show me how to cook African food or like Ghana food.
Yeah.
And
because
also maybe the music and everything about
Ghana.
where you are from. And I will show you the same thing for my culture too.
For your culture.
Yeah.
Do you have culture?
Oh, our white people, we have culture.
Culture. What do you do? Mugunza.
What is that?
Hey, so Mugunza.
What is that?
Then your culture ben I can't answer me. Huh?
I don't understand.
You pour libation?
I pour what?
Libation.
No.
Like trading for Kwame and San Real. Or Sonia Sasia and San Real. Nana no more Sama for and San Real.
What do you mean?
That is tradition.
Where?
Hey.
In
Culture.
Africa?
Yeah, in
In
Africa. In Ghana.
Okay.
Why home?
I don't get
You don't get me?
No.
Ah,
You know, my English also is not that perfect because
Yeah.
I'm not close to Africans, so yeah.
You are German.
Yeah, I'm completely German.
You are completely German.
Yeah, and I have never close more to Africans.
So you speak Dutch. You teach me Dutch.
I will teach you.
You teach me.
But you two, you teach me your language.
Chi.
Chi. Okay, it's chi.
It's not chi. Chi.
Chi.
Chi. Chi. Chi.
Chi. Chi.
Mawano solo no go from chi.
Chi.
Mawano. Mawano.
Wamano.
I say Mawano. Mawano solo no go from.
You want me to say it?
Yes, say it. Mawano solo no go from.
What?
Mawano solo no go from.
Mawanoso.
Enko from.
Enconform.
Neka tree.
Neka tree.
She.
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 Bola.
I see, you are really funny.
Yeah, it's like that. Sometimes
But it's good.
You have to, happy yourself.
Uh-huh.
And I'm really happy I'm here too.
Oh, me too.
I'm really, really happy.
I'm happy that my friends say, okay, just meet Papa Kumasi. He's very nice and I'm happy.
Yeah, thank
I'm
you so
happy.
very much for welcoming me to your house.
No
I'm really,
problem.
really happy.
Yeah.
All right. Where can I maybe bath or something because.
Okay, I can show you.
All right, show me around. Take your drink now. Oh, show me
you
around.
want to drink?
Yeah, show me around. Hey, guys.
Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
How are you?
I'm okay, my
Have
baby.
you sleep good?
Yeah, I sleep good.
Okay. Yeah, I make you breakfast.
Wow.
It's a little bit German style.
Oh yeah, I can see it's a
I
little
hope
bit
you
German
like
style.
it.
Yeah, I will like it. I'll chop everything. You don't worry.
You have to. My problem is actually the time because I have to go to work.
Oh, so you can't join me?
No, I have to
Oh.
eat there.
My blah.
Yeah.
Eh,
Sorry.
oh,
But you can eat more, enjoy yourself a bit.
alright.
Because the
I'm
time is... Yes, it's You
nice.
say what?
I said the table is full of food.
Oh yes, I want you to feel good.
Wow.
Yeah, no matter.
Thank you.
So if I come back
Uh-huh.
and maybe later we can cook something together, some African food.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
So I can eat everything. Eh?
Everything.
So I take bread and then.
Yeah, you have egg here and everything. So you
Okay.
just enjoy yourself.
Alright, thank you so very much.
Okay.
Thank you so very much.
Well, I will call you or I will write you, okay?
Okay.
If I'm at work, I will breakfast there because there too we have some breakfast.
Okay.
Then,
Hey, you are wearing Abena Kumasi.
hey, Abena Kumasi.
Kumasi, come on.
I will take it.
Alright, okay.
Okay.
Alright, so I'll see you.
Yeah?
If anything, I will call you. And
Okay,
I'll
just call
write
me.
you.
Okay.
Alright.
Then,
Alright,
bye-bye.
bye-bye. Hey, we are to me puno atamfo enim. Ya to me puno e wo atamfo enim. Aboa don. Me me chama. Oko. Metiti bia to mo. E we kusua o. No kusua na ya chine pafu sei. Ya broche kus ana de pan afra. Debut. Na kusua na pafu sei. Wow. Mama, I'm TV to na Richard there. The grana so na mission chama na bi nsi o. We na me bi ni. He. Bole I have to turn bole jo. Shit. I'm not chilly fucking. Fridge mu na aboma sei. Oh bloody Christ. Calorie. Me one